It's that time of year where you may be faced with a cold temperature graphic application. Did you know that ORAFOL offers specially formulated materials designed for cold temperature applications? You can visit orafol.com and search ORAJET 3161DT, or you can search ORAJET 3551DT. ORAJET 3161DT is an economical digital print media for deep temperature applications. ORAJET 3551DT is a medium to long-term digital print media for deep temperature applications. If you're not sure what the minimum application temperature is for your preferred graphic film, be sure to know this information prior to your next cold temperature installation. Most general-purpose graphic marking films and digital print medias have a minimum application temperature of around 46 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, or 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. In cold climates, graphic marking films and digital print medias become brittle or rigid, and the adhesive isn't as tacky when subjected to cold temps during the installation process. This means that the application and surface temperatures need to be no less than the specified minimum application temperature stated within the selected product's technical datasheet. ORAJET 3161DT and ORAJET 3551DT are specially formulated for applications as low as 23 degrees Fahrenheit or -5 degrees Celsius. Review the ORAJET Digital Inkjet Media Selection Guide to assist you in determining the proper material for your next application. Or visit orafol.com and search 3161DT or 3551DT for more information.